Hello everybody, this is George at Melnick's Automotive. If you want to add an accessory park assist or backup sensors on a 2018 through 25 Honda Odyssey, you will need this kit and this. So it's a wiring harness and sensors. They do come color coded. You will have to drill your bumper. There's totally 4 sensors. I got everything hooked up. I want to show you where's everything located. So this is the main module that controls the system right over here. So I have everything apart just to show you where everything goes and where you plug it in. So you would bolt it in on the passenger side right over here. That's where this module goes. Next, you have your beeper, and the beeper goes right over here. Behind the seat belt, there's area for it. You can install it with double-side tape. And there is a hidden connector. There's a 2-pin connector right over here in the quarter panel. It's this one. It's underneath this brown tape. So you got to take the tape off, and it's plug and play. And there's your button, which you have to drill a hole in your plastic quarter panel trim that goes here. So once you have everything set up, you plug it in. When you put it in reverse, you have a loud beeping noise. Another thing is you can control your volume of the beeper over here. If it's too loud, you can make it a little quieter. Once again, thanks for watching. This was George with Melnick's Automotive.